Hello, everyone! It's that time of the year again, when the weather starts to warm up and we all get that itch to freshen up our homes. Today, I'm going to share with you 5 ways to spring clean your home effectively. The first tip is to declutter. Let's be honest, we all have things in our homes that we don't use or need. This spring, make a commitment to get rid of those unnecessary items. This will not only free up space in your home but also make cleaning much easier. Next, let's tackle the dust. Dust can accumulate in the most unexpected places, like on top of cabinets or behind appliances. Use a microfiber cloth to wipe these areas clean. It's amazing how much brighter your home will look without that layer of dust. Thirdly, don't forget about your floors. Over the winter, your floors can take a beating. Whether it's salt from the roads or dirt from your shoes, your floors could use a deep clean. Consider renting a carpet cleaner or hiring a professional service to help bring your floors back to life. Fourth, let's talk about your kitchen. This is a room that often gets overlooked during spring cleaning. Take the time to clean out your fridge, wipe down your cabinets, and deep clean your oven. Your kitchen will look and smell much better. Lastly, remember to clean your windows. After a long winter, your windows can get pretty grimy. Cleaning your windows, both inside and out, can let in more light and make your home feel more open and airy. So there you have it, folks. 5 ways to spring clean your home. Remember, spring cleaning isn't just about cleaning, it's also about refreshing and rejuvenating your living space. Happy cleaning! And thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.